the build plate in the middle of the machine. So what that's doing is that's lowering, and then the powder feeder will raise up, and then the wiper blade will come across and spread that powder over the base plate, and then the laser will selectively fuse that metal powder into the shape that we've programmed in with our 3D model file.
You can see the parts growing layer by layer here. So you're doing setup here, you're setting them up in orientation on the build plate, how you want support structures, and anything from machine parameters.
This build has over 1,000 layers, so it's just slowly making its way through. Take a little bit over a day, and it runs continuously.